Hey, what's up, y'all? Whew. So I wanted to record this video because I wanted to talk to y'all about something really, really important. I was doing a broadcast earlier today, and literally, y'all, over the past couple of weeks, I've had so many clients who are overcoming so many battles. And, I pray that for whoever this is for, leave a comment. Let me know if this does touch you. But I want to talk to y'all about adversity. I want to talk to you about facing those challenges and pushing through. I'm a big believer that whenever you're on the brink of doing something that could potentially change your life, you're gonna be met up with some challenges. You're gonna be met up with opposition. Okay. This is a fact. In fact, I remember learning this when I used to be in network marketing that there's 4 areas that you will be attacked in. Now, sometimes it's all 4, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 2, but this is a guaranteed fact, ladies and gentlemen. Whenever you make a decision to do something that's going to change your life or to change other people's lives, you will be faced with opposition. The first area where you're going to be attacked in is going to be in your finances. I'm telling you guys, many of you right now, you're making a decision to invest into that conference that you want to go to, or you're going to make a decision to invest into this new product that you want to buy, or service, or coaching, or something. You're right there, like, you know what, I'm going to do it. Or you're going to invest into your business, and all of a sudden, out of nowhere, that auto draft just hit your account. An auto draft you was not expecting. Or all of a sudden, out of nowhere, your car, you're driving, and boom, you just got a flat. I promise you, on everything that I love, every single time that I've ever been on the brink of something great, something has happened. And it's not that I'm necessarily expecting for things to happen, because sometimes people may look at it as a bad thing. But for me, I look at it as distractions. For me, I look at it as a reason for me to keep on pushing through and not give up. You'll also be attacked. The second place that you'll be attacked will be in your health and wellness. Please listen to me. And when I say health and wellness, I'm not talking about something just little or small. Some of us, you're going to be attacked in major ways. But I look at certain circumstances as not reasons to give up, but the reason to keep pushing forward. What are you going to do? Stop? You're just going to give up? Because one thing I do understand is that tomorrow is not always promised. And so, yes, you're going to face some health challenges, but that's not a reason to say, you know what, let me give up. I want you to remember this video. Every single time you make a decision to do something great, you're going to be faced with some kind of opposition, and it's going to come in either your finances. Number 2, your health and wellness. Number 3, this is a word, everybody catch it, your relationships. Oh, you are about to launch this business. You're now about to allocate this money. You're going to put this money to the side, and you're going to invest into your business. And then you go and share it with one of your closest friends, and they give you sure you want to do that? Now, this is somebody that you care about, and you really care about their opinion. And because you have shared this information and then they've received it in a way that you are not expecting, it has done something to you. This does not mean that you shouldn't move forward because your friend or your family member or somebody who is not doing that has a little hesitation. Many times, many of our family and our friends that love us the most, they may have hesitation because either they have not seen it happen for them, or they really care, and they really do care that you have success. And maybe they feel like, this may not be it. But listen to me, and listen to me clearly. You don't base your decisions off of somebody else's thoughts and opinions. You base your decisions off of the vision that God has given you. Some relationships will get tarnished because people will promise you that they're going to support you. People will say, I'm going to show up, and they don't. Some relationships will get tarnished because some people will say, how dare you? The audacity. Oh, you think you all that? Oh, you acting funny. You done forgot where you came from. You've changed. Relationships will get challenged on your journey to success. And you got to make a decision. Are you going to let that hold you back? What I've also found in this journey of achieving ultimate success, there's never an accumulation of ultimate success. I feel like once you hit one level of success, you're going to always keep going, especially if you get around people who who are never complacent, right? But in this journey, one thing I've also learned is that there may be some people who don't come with you, right, on the journey, but don't let it get you twisted and thinking that it's not inspiring them. You going out there and having the audacity to not give up when you were faced with opposition, That is an inspiration to many. And while many may not even necessarily tell you, sometimes those relationships were for a reason, season, or lifetime. And then the fourth area that you're going to battle on your journey to getting to where you desire to be, on your journey to overcoming some of these challenges, on your journey to success, on your journey to fulfilling the purpose that God has you for, is you're going to battle some challenges with the spirit. There have been times, y'all, I tell you, where it's like I feel like everything is coming at me at once. And then it gets me into a position where I'm like, why is this happening to me? God, why are you putting me in front of all of this? Like, I thought you gave me the vision. And you got to have a clear conviction in knowing that there is a purpose for your life. Like, you got to know that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really must know that there is a purpose for your life. And I promise you, just because you're faced with a challenge doesn't mean that God trying to do anything against you. If anything, he's making us stronger. But yeah, you will battle those things. I know I had some of the biggest battles where I was faced with all of that. My health and wellness, my finances, my relationships, and all three of those, it put me in a battle with the spirit. But I'm forever grateful that I was able to push through. Listen, and it's not always, let me tell you something. And once you get through one, it's going to be another. As long as we live and breathe, as long as you continue to grow, there's always going to be something. It's not like, okay, when I finally get over this, then I ain't gonna never have no problems no more. You know what they say? New levels, new devils. But the more that you're able to push through that opposition, the stronger you become. But if you give up every single time you're faced with something, you're not growing stronger. You're not going to be able to handle the next challenge. And so don't give up. That challenge that you're dealing with, that's not for you to give up. That's for you to keep on going. Don't let it be a reason for you to stop. Let it be a reason for you not to give up, because there is another man, there is another woman right now who is going to go through what you're going through, and they need your testimony. Yeah, I had to share this because I don't know what's been going on, but people are giving up because of something that was already set up in their life. It was already going to happen. That does not mean give up. It means keep on pushing in spite of. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. All right? So like, for real, if this really touched you, if this connected to you, I am speaking from a woman with experience that will also have some things happen to me again. And I ain't giving up. I'm just not going to do it. And I don't want you guys to do it either, because somebody needs your testimony. All right, y'all.